Today, we're stepping into a world where tradition, culture, and community come alive at one of Thailand's most iconic festivals, Prapatham GD Fair 2024. This grand event, held in Nakhon Pathom, promises a unique blend of historical reverence and vibrant festivities. From the glowing stupa that has stood as a beacon of faith for centuries, to the bustling local markets filled with mouth-watering street food. Join us as we explore the sights, sounds, and flavors that make this festival unforgettable. Let's dive in.
โปรดทราบขณะนี้เหลือเวลาประมาณ3นาทีจะได้เวลาขับรถธรรมดาที่281กรุงเทพปลายทางกบินบุรีเที่ยวกำหนดเวลา8นาฬิกาเราเที่ยวขบวนรถ
Today we will travel to Nakhon Pathom by train. You could see more and more train traveling in this channel as it's our favorite traveling mode. It's still early. Let's have a look at this classic station. Here's come our train. Let's get on and enjoy the view along the way. Around 1.5 hours from Bangkok to Nakhon Pathom. Such a sunny day. And, of course, the first thing is food. This shop's located in Talad Lang 4 Alley. We haven't tried it, but the reviews are nice. Here it is, the shop we're looking for. Suki Kantern. This is so nice. We really want to try other of their menu, but so many things elsewhere we would like to eat too. Next we go for Kanam Ba Bin from this shop. We always drop by this stall every time we visit Na Korn Pathom. Let's get going. There is a large fair with many food stalls around the temple. Anyway, if you visit this kind of fair often enough, you'll find that it's always the same vendors. So we might not spend much time on the fair. Let's just have a quick look if there's any interesting stall here. Well, this one looked interesting. Caw poke. Let's try this. Basically, its texture and taste are like mochi. It's a snack that will fill you up. Enough for the fair. Let's have a walk around the stupa. They're forming the parade, so it get a bit noisy. Let's take a break somewhere else. We walk to Yisib Hamakara 3 Alley for this shop. Next, we've planned to go to the museum. Unfortunately, it's closed every Monday and Tuesday. While waiting for evening event, let's have an early dinner. One thing we never miss here is this shrimp fritter. We love Todd Mangum so much, especially from this shop. Our main goal, beside the foods, is to watch the illumination. Now it's almost time. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining us on this vibrant journey through Prapathamjidi Fair 2024. We hope you've enjoyed the sights, sounds, and tastes of this amazing festival. Remember, our channel updates new videos every Friday at 3 p.m. Until next time, keep wandering and savoring.